you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited because products by Stylevana for me to use for June just arrived. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, June's products by Stylevana just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Stylevana is not a subscription company or anything like that. They do have curated boxes from time to time. If you go to their search bar, you can type in Vana box to see if there are any Vana boxes available. Those roll out like limited edition throughout the year. But what they're doing now is they're actually curating boxes that are like a full regimen in one. And for those, you just go to their search bar and you can type in Vana family. And then you can see all of the different boxes that they have readily available. To save you money, because it's like a bundle builder, you have a whole box with a discounted rate on everything, which is absolutely amazing. But other than that, they literally can be your one-stop shopping for anything and everything K-beauty and J-beauty related. They have very, very super fast shipping, and you can use my code INF10 SheCrafty, and that will get you anywhere from 10 to 15% off depending on what is accumulated in your cart at checkout. But the lowest is 10, the most would be 15 based on what your amount is at checkout. I absolutely love them. They ship all over and quickly. And yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. This month I have a bigger box, so I'm extremely intrigued to see what I'm going to be using this month. So let's go ahead and dive in and we'll see what the products are that they sent me. And yeah, but they will definitely be all linked below in the description box if you would like to follow that to go straight to them. And my code is there and everything in case you have any questions. INF10 is SheCrafty. But again, everything is listed down below to help you go straight to them if you would like. So let's get this open. Okay, so they always take so much pride in packaging their products. It always comes like completely protected in bubble wrap. I've never had anything come damaged or broken or anything like that. So let's get this stuff out. We have a lot of goodies in here this month, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so one thing that I'm seeing that I've used before, and I actually really did enjoy these face masks. So I'm so excited to see them in my box again. These are the Retinol Intense Reactivating Face Masks. I absolutely love sheet masks. If you follow me, you know I don't really care for the ones that you put on your face that you have to wash off either instantly or the next morning, anything like that. So I absolutely love just a good sheet mask. I normally keep some in my refrigerator, so when I go to use them, it's nice and cold and it just feels amazing. Put it on 10 to 20 minutes, take it off, dab in any little essence that might be left, and you are good to go. Now, this one is not just one single one. Oh, no. This is actually a box full of them, you guys. So let me show you how many comes down inside. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you have 5 different sheet masks that's all down inside of this box to use at your own leisure. So there's that. Next we have is, it looks like it's another sheet mask. This says Gummy Sheet Mask Heart Leaf Sticker. And this one is just like any normal sheet mask as well. You put it on your face and after 10 to 15 minutes, remove it, gently tap in any essence, and you are good to go. So there is that. So we have another sheet mask. Next we have, it says Mary and May Believe in Truth Vegan. It's a Sun Cushion SPF 50 plus PA+++++. So there's this guy. Let's see what's down in here. Ooh, that's an interesting package. Look at that. Ooh, and look at the sun on it. That is so pretty. You see that image right there? Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Yeah, this is very interesting packaging. You have a mirror on the top. You have like a sponge type applicator, and then you pop this open. And is it going to be down in here? Yes. I kind of smell like a clean, slight, clean, fresh smell. So, oh my gosh, this is, hold on, let me close this and let me read. Let me read what we do with this one before I start just going to shoving my sponge in there. How to use. Take an appropriate amount of the contents with the built-in poof and pat the areas that need UV protection. Carry around and reapply. Oh my gosh. So it's like a little compact. Again, I like the fact that you have a mirror. There is a plastic like protectant over it. You can remove that to have a clear vision. But I really, really like that because, you know, if you're ever out and about and you want to put sunscreen on, if you put it on your face or some things that you can't see, you might still have like white stuff going on and you're just rocking it while you're walking down the street or in the store and no one's going to say anything. Well, some people don't say anything. But with this, you have a mirror, so they have you covered. So you can literally see where you're putting it on, and it's such an easy applicator. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to love that. I might actually keep this one in my purse. So anytime I'm out and about, the main places that I need to protect my skin is just my face, kind of my neck, and my arms. So this would be perfect, like I said, just to keep in my purse, and anytime I need to protect my face or maybe the top of my arms or anything like that, I'm covered. And I love that package. Wow. Okay, so there's that. The neatest little sunscreen that I've ever seen. Now we have, it says Easy Peasy Cleansing Oil. And this is what it looks like right there. We'll get it open so you can see it out of the box. And then we'll see, I'm sure it's just like any cleansing oil. How to use, pump an appropriate amount and spread it evenly on dry face. Put some water on your hands, massage them again for 30 seconds, and then rinse with lukewarm water. So yes, just like any cleansing oil, I tend to use the cleansing balm first. I use them both, but I always just have something in my head since I've been a kid. I just don't like the feeling of oil or greasy, anything like that. So whenever I can avoid anything that's an oil or grease like base type of a product, I do at all costs. But I definitely do use the oil if I don't have the balm or if I'm trying it out or something like that. So I do use both, but I prefer the balm because it's not so greasy feeling on my hands. But I absolutely love a good cleansing balm or a good cleansing oil. I always start with that first. So with that, you're going to use it just like the cleansing balm and any cleansing oil. You put some on your hand and then rub it all around on your dry face, dry hands, add a little bit of water, rub that around, get that all good, and then rinse everything off and you are good to go. I do like that this is a pump action, so you can just set it there, pump it when you need it. So I do like the container that it comes in, and this one actually doesn't look so oily. Most of them look like you straight have a thing of like olive oil in the bottle. This doesn't look like that. This doesn't look oily. So I think I'm actually really going to like this one. So yay. So now let's go ahead and see what this one here is. It says, what's wrong? Sunscreen 50 plus SPF PA+++. And I absolutely love this brand, Frutia. I believe that's how you say it. I love their moisturizers, their toners, like everything that I've used from that company. I absolutely love, and it's all fruit based. And if you know, you know, I am a huge fruit hoe. I love me some fruit. So I instantly fell in love with this company. So this is what this one looks like. What's wrong? And that is a great size to drop down in like your bag, your purse, your sports bag, anything like that to take on the go to keep your skin protected. Put in your beach bag, lake bag, whichever bag, or just simply keep it on hand to cover your skin when you're outside in your own backyard to protect it, that kind of thing. So I am all for sunscreen, and I tell you guys that all the time. I can't stress that one enough. Now we have is number 3, Skin Softening Serum. Okay, so I think this is the same brand as this one. So this is like number 1, what you do first. And then number 3, it shows it is a serum. So let's get this opened. This is a texture care serum that enhances the natural strength of your skin. Directions: apply an appropriate amount and gently spread it along the skin texture and then pat it lightly to absorb. So just like any normal serum, this is what the packaging looks like. And then you have your little dropper up here. So yeah, you just drop her on, put it on your face, do a little pat, and you are good to go. So there is that serum, and I do like that these are the same brand, so I can use the cleanser and then use the serum, and I like using products from the same company. So there's that. Ooh, I absolutely love this brand. This is the Madagascar Centella Enriched Cream by Skin 1004. I absolutely love this. This is one of my top few brands other than this Fruitia brand. I absolutely love the Skin 1004. All of the products that I've used have just been amazing. So down inside of here, it looks like that. So it looks like there's like a little spoon or like a little something in here for you to use. Yes, right there. And then down in here will be the product. And it says how to use. Apply an appropriate amount onto the face and pat gently with both palms for absorption at the last step of your skincare routine. So if you're using a moisturizer, if you're using a serum, if you're using both, an ampule, whatever you do first, put this on your very last step of your skincare routine. And again, it does come with this that you can use to take it out and put it on your face if you would like. I normally always put everything on as soon as I get out of the shower. So my hands they can't be any cleaner. They just came out of the shower. I don't smell a scent, but that is what it looks like. Let me put a little bit on my hand. Ooh, it's like kind of like marshmallowy. Look at that. It's like, kind of reminds me of like, you know, you're melting marshmallows or something. Ooh, let me put that back on a little bit better. There we go. So now let me see how this feels like on the top of my hand. Definitely, definitely a little, spider webby, a little sticky, icky. Ooh wee. It doesn't have a scent, but it feels really, really good. Oh my gosh. I have never used this, but again, I love this brand, so I'm super, super excited to try that out. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get that on my face tonight. Next thing is completely wrapped up like this, and it feels kind of hefty. So let's get this one out of its protectant packaging. This is a CICA Vital Toner, and it has vitamin C. Look how big this container is, this box though. Holy moly. This is a 500 ml, 16.9 fluid ounces, and this is definitely a little hefty. I have used some products from this brand, but never this exact product, so that is so neat to try out something different from this brand. And ooh, look at that. It's not glass, but it's this big old huge one with like a pump. Normally with all my toners, you have to like take the top off and then put it in your hand. This one actually has a little pump spout. So I like that because then you can just pump a little bit in your hand. You don't have to remove tops or anything like that. So that is really neat. And that is a big bottle. And that is a toner with vitamin C. That's exciting. So there's that. Now there's one more product in here, and it looks like it's a little kit with 3 different things. Let me get it out of here. And I don't know if you pronounce this some by my or some by me. I'm not sure. But that is the package inside, and there's 3 different products in this kit. So let's see what's all inside of here. Oh, look, you can even pull this up right here. It shows an up arrow. Yep, so you can just pull that right out. That is so cool. Okay, so the very first one, let me pull that out. This here says it's a UV protection blemish care antioxidant sunscreen SPF 50 plus PA+++++. This is a weightless antioxidant liquid sunscreen with broad spectrum protection and high levels of vitamin complex. Shake well before use. So you have, ooh, look at the top though. That's an interesting little top for it. Ooh, you just squeeze it and it comes out. You just squeeze it and it comes right out. So I'm not really getting like a strong scent. It has a slight scent. Some sunscreen just has like a normal sunscreen scent to it, no matter what brand it is. This one I'm kind of getting that slight sunscreen type scent, but not too bad or anything like that. Ooh, and it completely, that white went away instantly as soon as it touched my skin. So that is really neat. So then the next thing in here is this guy right here. And this one says UV Protection Moisture Care V10. This right here is the UV Moisture Care. This is a capsule sunscreen SPF 50 plus PA++++, just like the other one. This is a moisturizing sunscreen with SPF protection and high levels of hyaluronic acid complex that hydrates and soothes the skin with an invisible finish. So there's that. So they're all sunscreen. Ooh, that's cool. It's a whole sunscreen kit. This one right here is UV Protection Wrinkle Care. This is the Lip Sun Protector with SPF 15, an ultra nourishing daily lip balm that protects lips from damages caused by UV rays and prevents fine lines and wrinkles, while shea butter and olive oil rejuvenate super delicate lips. That is so neat. And then once you remove that, it shows you the little containers inside. And right now is a great time to start loading up on sunscreen. Here in Florida, it's already like over 90 degrees. The other day, literally, it was like 110. It was so hot. I'm like, Mother Nature, can you stop baking up there? But she just kept baking away and did not care. It was just so hot. So if I went outside, definitely I would be needing some sunscreen. And I really, really like that this kit includes a lip balm, because a lot of people don't think about that. When you're protecting everything else and you leave your lips dry, your lips can get cracked and damaged and all that from the sun just as much as the rest of your skin. So I like that this kit does include to protect your lips, and then you have these other two as well. So you have a little 3-piece set right here. That is amazing. Protect your skin, you guys. So that is everything that they sent for me to use for June. Holy moly, this is a whole lot of stuff. A lot of sunscreen, I'm all for, and I'm super, super impressed with this one. I really, really love this compact style design of this sunscreen. That is so, so neat. So a quick recap of everything that I'm gonna be using for June is we have these 3 different sunscreen set right here. We have this enriched cream for you to put on your face that is a little like kind of sticky, icky, but it feels amazing on the skin. You have this Large and in Charge toner, the most unique packaging with the sunscreen. I'm super, super excited about that. There is a serum, a sunscreen. You have this sheet mask, a whole set of sheet masks, and then there is the cleansing oil. All right, you guys. So now that is everything for June. I will link them all down below. Every single one of these products individually will be linked. Their website will be linked so you can see all of the different things that they do have to offer. And don't forget, INF10, SheCrafty will get you 10 to 15% off depending on what's accumulated in your cart at checkout. So now that is everything for this video. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of the products that they did send me for me to use for June to show you guys? Have you tried any of these? Do you want to? Definitely comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.